Today I'm gonna share you some dynamic design that I make. So let's go. And first of all, we use VS Code for the design purpose. So first of all, we make a index.html, and here is header section, and I input something that is a Google font, JCDN, uh, a link up CSS, font awesome, and also fontet, and also Tailwind CDN. So first of all, I make my header section, then I want to go main section. Here it is. So that is total code for dynamic design, and it is too hard for me because dynamic design is too hard, but now it is easy. That I want to also share you, and if you inspired, please do that. My index.html, and here is my footer section, and also use some module, that is detail module, custom countdown module, and also use different section. Here is my style.cs. Sometimes I try to style in here, that is, and it's my script for function that I use for dynamic design. Here is load categories, here is display categories, load all pages, display all pages, and also load pages by category, and also adapt model, and load category, display page details, etc. is here one by one. So that is, let's do run my design. Open live server. Okay, here is my live server that I make, and I want to share you. If I click view more, then it's gonna redirect, it's gonna show the best deal for you section, because I also use a I also used a href link in the view more button. That's why when I click this, and he also give me the section. And so I also show you something, that is, if I click detail button, then I see detail is colored. If I click add a button, then it's start a countdown. Okay, and it's disable. If I click here like button, then the picture going to here. Oh, nice. Here, if I click on more and more, the picture storage here. So that's it. And if I click cat category, then it's also sensed and see my all cats. It's a spinner. Here is my all cats. If I click dog category, then it will be show all dogs here. When I click rabbit, then it's also rabbit. And when I click bird, here is no data, that's why no data available. I also forget it because the icon is left side. I need to be middle of this icon. And I also show you one thing, that is, here is a sort by price. If I click sort by price, then 200, 500, it's already uh, raising to upper level to lower level. So I click here, short price, then it will show upper to lower. So that's it. If I click home, then it's also clear, and here is the path URL. So that's it. Thank you.